Hi guys, welcome back to Staff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to play games in Being AI. Yes, you heard correctly. We can play a game in Being AI aside from searching a different or a lot of stuffs. Alright, so I know that you are excited. So now let's start exploring the world of fun in Being AI. So, now without further ado, let's get started and open our Being AI application. So, as usual, as we can see, there is the five icons at the lower part of the screen, the homepage icon, the news, the chat box icons, the tabs, and the app. So, second step, let's click this app. And over here, the lower part of the screen, there is a word explore. So these are the different stuff to explore in Wing AI. And since we are going to play a game, so of course we have to top this game. So step 3, top the game. And after clicking the game, as you can see guys, there are a lot of games to be choose from. So whether you want a classic game, an arcade, alright, or a board and a card game. So you don't have to worry anymore if you're bored because using Bing AI, you can have just simply select a game and then you can now start playing the game that you want. Alright, so let's say for example, we are going to play this Fruity Fiesta. This one, so let us stop that and let's wait for the AI can load the game. Alright, so as you can see guys, it is now starting in order for us to start playing the game. And of course guys, this is a play button. To start with this, all we have to do is to tap this when. Alright, so now we can now start playing this game. Alright, so this is a very simple and easy to follow. So there you go guys. This is on how to play games in Being AI. So if you want to know on how to play games in Being AI, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to play games in Being AI, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!